As the sun kissed the skyline of Bangalore, we embarked on a journey of a lifetime. With meticulous planning and boundless excitement, we boarded a direct flight to Bali, eagerly anticipating the adventures that awaited us. After a 7.5-hour journey, we arrived in Bali. Stepping into the airport, our hearts raced with anticipation as we were greeted by our driver holding a sign with our names, a warm welcome to this tropical paradise. And then, like a hidden gem nestled amidst nature's embrace, we arrived at Kenran Resort. Perched on a cliff overlooking the verdant forests, the resort greeted us with open arms, promising days of luxury and tranquility. Our accommodation was a sanctuary of indulgence, boasting luxurious rooms adorned with Balinese elegance. Each room boasted its own private balcony and pool, offering uninterrupted views of the lush jungle canopy. As we settled into our new home away from home, the infinity pool beckoned, its crystal clear waters reflecting the beauty of the surrounding landscape. With the gentle rustle of the leaves and the distant chirping of birds as our soundtrack, we knew we had found paradise. Watch further as our drone captures the stunning bird's-eye view of this luxurious retreat nestled in nature. Get ready to be amazed. In the enchanting embrace of Bali, our adventure unfolds across 7 unforgettable days, including an excursion to the captivating Nusa Penida. Get ready for the ultimate blend of adventure, culture, and relaxation. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. We take you on a journey through the highlights of our trip, promising you the very best experiences Bali has to offer.